Before I get started on the eyes, I want to make sure that the skin is really prepped and hydrated. It really will create a nice canvas for our eye-focused look. We're gonna create a really graphic, colorful eye. I'm gonna start with shade Gunjo Blue. That is a really nice alternative to a black or brown. It's a great way to play with color. I'm gonna add a little bit more interest by adding Kajal InkArtist in Sumi Sky to the waterline. We're framing with two different blues. So to finish framing the eyes, we're going to curl the lashes and layer ImperialLash MascaraInk, starting with a black, and then using Sapphire Spark as a top coat. This is such a fun way to add a little bit more pop to your eye without going overboard. To contrast the color on the eyes, we're going to apply Shimmer Gel Gloss in Sango Peach. I'm going to add a little bit more definition by adding a darker shade to the center of the lip. To blend where the two colors start and stop, I'm applying another shade of Shimmer Gel Gloss. I'm gonna add a little bit of Minimalist Whipped Powder Blush. I'm gonna accentuate the skin with Invisible Silk Loose Powder in the Radiant finish.